It's a setup. Locking onto its target, it descends from the sky. Like a velociraptor, it stalks its prey on foot. The pounding steps of the hawk shakes the earth beneath his feet. The kangaroo rat is quickly running out of places to hide. It's now or never. Defeated this time, the hawk gives up the chase. Determined not to let his story from the past dictate his future, he bravely passes through the hawk's lair with a new purpose. Using himself as bait, he has the hawk exactly where he wants it. There is no time to waste. Finally, he returns home. Luring the snake out of the burrow. He then takes cover to watch as his plan unfolds. It's a setup. The hawk remains composed. It's the ultimate showdown. Driven away by the formidable Harris hawk, the cowardly snake retreats from the fight. With the snake gone, triumphantly, this tiny hero can take back what is rightfully his.